If your Tesla says electrical system is unable to support all features, in most cases, in 90% of cases, it will mean that the 12-volt battery in your Tesla is not really feeling good, and you will need to charge this battery or maybe replace this battery if it's older than 3 or 4 years old. Usually Teslas will need battery replacement, I mean 12-volt batteries, so low voltage battery replacement, once every 3 or 4 years. Sometimes you can drive more than that, it depends on the driving habits and the driving style. The 12-volt battery in your Tesla has a lot of functions. It powers the wipers, it powers the lights, it powers a lot of things. So it's not a high voltage battery that powers these things, including some safety features, but a 12-volt battery. And a 12-volt battery gets the charge from the high voltage battery through the DC-DC converter, and if something goes wrong in this system, it may throw this message. And also, if the battery is just dying, the voltage is dropping, it will throw one of these messages. So the electrical system is unable to support all features is one of the possible messages that can pop up when there is a problem with the 12-volt battery. I have seen also several cases where the problem was with some different parts, like with the converter that charges the battery or with the wiring. Or there was a problem with the high voltage system, I mean all these electrical things that control the batteries, and it's impossible to solve this issue on your own. You will need Tesla support, of course. And only once in my life I saw this exact message when there was a problem with the power bottle. Power bottle is the cooling equipment that is extremely reliable, but in later Tesla models, sometimes it has problems. And when this power bottle has problems, there is an issue with cooling, and somehow it affects all this high voltage system. And only when the power bottle is replaced, the high voltage system will work properly and will start charging the 12-volt battery again. So if you have this issue and you replace or recharge your 12-volt battery and it seems to be okay, but after several days you again get this issue, the problem is not with the 12-volt battery, the problem is with the charging process, maybe with the high voltage system, and you will probably need to go to Tesla and have your vehicle inspected. But before you do this, you will of course want to charge the battery or replace the battery, because it's the cheapest solution for this problem.